Hello students. So in this video we are going to learn about elimination method to solve linear equations with two variables. This is another algebraic method. First one was substitution method as you would have seen in the videos. So let's start with this. So let's consider this example only to know what the method is. Here you see the coefficients of these variables. X coefficient here is 2, here is 3, y also is different. Whenever the coefficients of a variable are different, we have to make them same. How can we make them same? If this is 2 over here, so multiply this equation with 2. I'm making the coefficient of x variable same. And here I'll multiply it by 3. So what will I get? 2 into 3, 6x. 2 into 8, 4 is 8y, and 2 into 10 is 20. Over here it is 2 into 3, 6x again, minus 2 into 3, 6y is equals to 6. Now you see the coefficients of variable x are same in both the equations. So what I can do is whenever the coefficients are same and of same sign, plus 6, I'm going to subtract. So this is equation 1, equation 2. I'll do subtract 2 from 1. When I do subtract 2 from 1, I can write 6x plus 8y minus 6x minus 6y is equals to 20 minus 6. So let's begin here. So what will it be? 6x plus 8y minus 6x plus 6y is equals to 14. So here 6x cancels. So this is 14y is 14. So y comes out to be 1. Y is 1, you can put it any of the equation to get the value of x. 3x plus 4 into 1 is 10. I have substituted the value of y in this one. 3x plus 4 is 10. So from here you can say that 3x is equals to 10 minus 4. That's how much then? 3x 6. So x is equals to 2. You have the solution now. x2, y1. Clear? This is elimination method. You eliminate one of the variable coefficients, make them same, eliminate the variable, and then get the other variable. Fine, students. Now let's move to the questions and understand the method more properly. Now, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by elimination method. So what can be done over here? Let's start with the first question. First thing is that you need to frame the equations on your own. The equations are not given to you. So read the statement carefully and then try to frame the equation. So if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So let the fraction be. First step is you need to take it in terms of variable. Let the fraction is x by y. X is numerator, y is denominator. So what's the case one says? If you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 for the denominator, you will get 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1, cross multiply. It's only 1. So x plus 1 multiplied by 1, y minus 1 multiplied by 1. X plus 1 is y minus 1. Transpositioning, bring variables on one side and bring constants to the other side. So x minus y minus 1 minus 1. So x minus y is minus 2. That's the first equation, not the second one, sorry. Case 2. What's the case 2? It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So we are adding only 1 to the denominator. It is changing to half. Again cross multiply. Bring 2 here. 2x. Y plus 1 into 1. So you have 2x is equals to y plus 1. Again bring the variables on one side. Constants on another side. So you have the two equations. Now how to solve these two equations? Again we will use the elimination method. So from in the both the equations, check the coefficients of variables. Check for x. Here it is 1, it is 2. Nothing is there, so we keep it as 1. Okay. Here, if you check y, the coefficients are same, both minus 1, minus 1. When the coefficients are same, the rule is only to subtract. So better to subtract. There is no need to multiply with any because you already have the coefficients of y as same. So subtract 2 from 1. So how do we do? X minus y minus 2x minus y minus 2 minus 1. X minus y minus 2x plus y is minus 3. I can cancel y and y. So minus x is minus 3. So from here I can say x equals to 3. We got x as 3. Now I can put the value of x in any of the equation to get the answer for y. So put x equals to 3 in equation 1. Where is equation 1? It's over here. 3 minus y is minus 2. So minus y is minus 2 minus 3. Y comes out to be 5. Okay, students. So what will be my fraction now? Fraction is x by y, which is 3 by 5. You can check your answer as your fraction is 3 by 5. If you add 1 to denominator only, so 3 by 6, it is half only. If you add 1 to numerator, 3 plus 1, 4. If you subtract 1 from denominator, 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 4 reduces to 1 only. So your answer is correct. Okay, students. I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the next question. Age related problem, very important because you have to take care of present age. You're going back, you're going forward. So when you're going back ago, you have to subtract the a number of years. When you go forward, you have to add the number of years and then frame the equations. Okay, so here the question says 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So how old are Nuri and Sonu? So again we will take the ages in terms of variable. Let Nuri's age is x years and Sonu's age, I'll take it as y years. Case 1 says we have to go 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what will be Nuri's age? X minus 5. What will be Sonu's age? Y minus 5. So according to the question, 5 years ago, Nuri is thrice means 3 times. Okay, 3 times Sonu's age. Is it very clear, students, how I framed it? Now let's simplify to get the equation. 3y, open the brackets, 3 into 5, 15. Again, bring the variables on one side. So 3y here, minus 15 plus 5, constants on another side. So I have the equation x minus 3y is minus 10. That's the first equation. Now move to the case 2. Case 2, what does it say? It's 10 years later. Yeah, so it says 10 years later. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice. So first, what is Nuri's age 10 years later? That's x plus 10. What is Sonu's age 10 years later? Y plus 10. Now it says x plus 10 is twice as y plus 10. Fine. So x plus 10 is equals to 2y plus 20. Bring variables on one side, constants on another. So x minus 2y is 10. That's your second equation. Fine, students. Now let us solve the two equations. First is this, second is this. Again in the two equations we see that the coefficients of x are same only. So you do not have to do anything, just subtract. No multiplication step required. Subtract 2 from 1. So x minus 3y minus x minus 2y is minus 10 minus 10. So x minus 3y minus x plus 2y minus 20. So x goes away. Minus y minus 20. So from here I can say y is 20. One of them is coming as 20. Put the value of y as 20 in equation 1. I can either say put or substitute. Both the words you can use. X minus 3 into 20 is minus 10. Minus 60 is minus 10. X is 60 minus 10. That's coming out to be 50. Okay. So I have the age for both of them. So what's Nuri's age coming? 50 years. And what's Sonu's age coming? 20 years. Is this clear, students? I hope it is. Fine. Pause the video in between, solve the question. We have done two questions and then move to the next question. not just look at the video and see how I'm solving. Okay, it's you have to solve them. Now let's move to the third problem. It's a digit problem, so that is also a very important question. Numbers you have to frame using two variables, yeah, two digit number. So the sum of the digits of a two digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So how are we going to do this is, as you all know, a two digit number I can write it as, let's say sum of digit is 9, so I can, it can be 27, 72, just taking an example, could be 18 and 81 also. Okay, so this is 27. How do you frame it? It's 2 into 10 plus 7. Yeah, there are two digits over here. Sum of them 2 plus 7, 7 plus 2 is 9 only. Okay, and when I reverse it and I interchange the digit, basically 27 becomes 72. Okay, so you observe that I'm multiplying the tens digit by 10. The same thing I have to do when I use it using variables. So let's begin with, let ones digit is x and tens digit of the number is what? Y. So how will you frame the number? You know, you can't write it as yx, yes or no, because its meaning is y multiplied by x when you write variables together like this. So you have to write it 10y plus x. You have to multiply y by 10 because tens digit has to be multiplied by 10 and add it to ones digit. That is how you frame a number. What will be the number when you interchange the digit? What will be the reverse number? So reverse number will be 10x plus y. Clear? Let's see what are other conditions given in the question. The sum of the digits of a two digit number is 9. So first condition given is x plus y is 9. That's the first equation. Okay. Second thing it says 9 times, means 9 multiplied with by the original number 10y plus x is equals to 2 times the number reverse. Fine. So it will change to 90y plus 9x is equals to 20x plus 2y. Okay, students, now let's move and do repositioning again. 90y minus 2y, 9x minus 20x is equals to 0. So when I solve it, it will be 88y minus 11x is 0. You can divide this whole equation by 11 to make it simple. So you can write it as 8y minus x is 0. That's the second equation. What was the first equation? X plus y is 9. Can I write that as y plus x is 9? That was the first one. Now if we see here, y coefficients are not same. One is 8, another is 1. You can multiply this by 8 and get it. Or you see coefficients of x are same but of opposite sign. When the coefficients of any variable are same but of opposite sign, just add them. Add 2 and 1. Okay. So let's move it here and solve it. When you add them, it will be 8y minus x plus y plus x, 0 plus 9. So I'm going to cancel x over here, yes, because they are of opposite signs, so I added only. Okay, so it becomes 9y is 9, so y comes out to be 1. When y comes out to be 1, I can substitute it in first equation. Y plus x is 9, so 1 plus x is 9, so x comes out to be 8. So what's my number, students, over here? It was 10y plus x. Okay, so 10 into 1 plus 8, so the number is 18. I hope this is also clear. Yeah, so you got your number as 18. Clear, students? Fine, very good. Now let's move to the next question. Next question says, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupee notes or 100 rupee notes only. She got total 25 notes in all. Find out how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Okay. So again, you have to frame the equation using two variables. So let number of rupees 50 notes is how much? X. Okay. So if number of 50 notes is X, what will be the value of rupees 50 notes? There are X notes, so it will be rupees 50 into X. So that will be 50X. Okay. Let's say you have 10 50 rupee notes. So how much is the value of that? 10 into 50, 500 rupees. Now, so same thing over here. Now, let's say number of rupees 100 notes. 100 notes will be Y. So their value or amount, I can say, value of rupees 100 notes will be how much? Rupees 100 into Y. So that's rupees 100Y. Now let's say what the question says. Yeah, case 1. Case 1 says she got total 25 notes. So x plus y is 25. That's equation 1. Second equation says that she had to withdraw 2000. So this total amount to 50x plus 100y should amount to only 2000. Okay. From these I can divide the whole equation by 50. So divide by 50. What you will get? X plus 2y is equals to, when you divide by 50, it's 40. Okay, that's the second equation. Clear, students? Now what two equations I have? One is x plus y is 25. Second one is x plus 2y is 40. Fine. Now, how do I solve it? Again, you see the coefficient of x is same only. Yeah. So I just subtract. Okay. Same sign also. So subtract 2 from 1. When I subtract 2 from 1, x plus y minus x plus 2y. 25 minus 40. So that's coming out to be x plus y. How much is that? 5 and 15. Okay, so x goes away. So what are you getting over here? You're getting minus y is minus 15. So y comes out to be 15. If y is 15, put it over here. X plus 15 is 25. So x is how much? 25 minus 15, 10. So you can say number of rupees 50 notes is 10. Number of rupee 100 notes is how much? 15. That is the final answer. Okay, students. I hope this is also clear. Yeah, fine. Now let's move to the last question of this exercise. A lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days while Susie paid 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge per each extra day. If you have borrowed book from your library, you know that if you do not return it, you have to pay extra charge. Yeah, but for borrowing the books also, school library I know it's free, but when you go to other libraries with charge, you need to pay something. Okay, you need to pay for taking the books. Fine, so it's over here. So there is a fixed charge. Fixed charge is for first 3 days you have to pay that fixed charge always. Then additional charge if you keep it for more days, apart other than 3 days, if you're keeping it for more days, then per day charge is also there. Okay, so there are two persons, Sarita and Susie here. Sarita paid 27 for 7 days and Susie 21 for 5 days. Okay. So in that 3 days fixed charge, in 7 days 3 days fixed and 4 days will be the charge per day will be charged. And then Susie 5 days fixed, 5 days is she has taken, so it will be 3 days fixed and 2 days will be the charge per day. So there are two variables again. Let fixed charges rupees x, okay, and charge per day, you take it as rupees y. Okay, fine. So case 1 for Sarita. Sarita took for 7 days. Okay, so out of 7 days you can say that 3 days fixed plus 4 days charge. Yes or no? Because 7 is 3 plus 4. So fixed charge is there for 3 days, so that is x always. 4 days will be 4y, 4 into y. And she paid total how much? 27. Understood how I made the equation? Yeah. Case 2, let's see. Again, Susie, she took for 5 days. Okay. If you remove 3 from 5, you will get 3 days fix and 2 days charge. Got it. So again, 3 days is fixed. So that is x that you removed. It is fixed for 3 days. Okay, and 2 day charge. So 2 days chargeable and she paid 21 rupees. That's equation 2. So how to solve these two equations? Let's take them here. Again, you see the variable here, x has same coefficient, so just subtract. Okay, subtract 2 from 1. So x plus 4y minus x plus 2y minus 21. So you have x plus 4y minus x minus 2y. This is 6. X again goes away, so you are having 2y is 6, so y comes out to be 3. So your y is 3. You can put it any of the equation to get the value of x. So x plus 4 into 3 is 21. I'm putting in the first equation. X is 21 minus 12, so 11 minus 2, that's 9. X coming out to be 9. So fixed charges are, now you can say that fixed charge for 3 days is how much? That's rupees 9. And charge per day is how much? Rupees 3. That is your final answer. Okay. Anything else the question is asking? No, only this. Is that thing clear, students? Now we finish this exercise, finish all the 5 questions. Now you people have to solve these questions. I made a video so that you understand how to solve the question, how to write the proper steps, but it's your work to practice. Okay, students? In every video, I say that you have to practice, you have to pause the video after seeing how I solve the question, and then move to the next question. Fine. Why I repeat this thing? So that you practice. Fine, students? So now, if you have a doubt in any question, send it to me. I'll make more videos on the questions that you are facing problem. Okay, and I'll share with you all. Thank you. Bye.